Hi guys, today we will learn how to remove or change Builderall Favicon. But before we will do it, let's understand what is Favicon, okay? Favicon is this symbol, okay, on our tabs. This is symbol, this is symbol, this is symbol, okay? This symbol called favicon, okay? And when we make pages with builder, we will get a default favicon of builder, okay? But if we want to change this favicon, remove builder favicon to change it to something else, I will show you how to do it right now. Okay, so what we need to do is to go to our cheetah builder, to our site that we on the site that we want to change the favicon. Okay, every site that we will build in Builderall can be with different favicon. So what I will do, I will show you my test website. Okay, let's go to the website. Okay, this is some site that I made a test with it previously. So you can see here is this favicon of Builderall. Okay, so I will go back to this site. I will go to the edit site, and now I will go to the site settings. Okay, site settings, and I scroll down, and here is favicon. Okay, look carefully on this favicon. I will change it. Choose. Okay, I will take this one. Let's take me. Okay, this favicon. Save. Okay, you can see here the favicon. Okay, it's something that I prepared previously. It's a PNG file, 500 on 500. You can take 150 on 150, as long as it's a cube. Okay, as long as it's a cube. Okay, so I changed, and now I will take save. Okay, after the save, the site will be published. Okay, I also make a publish site successfully republished. You can see it now. If I take this page, okay, you can see the favicon. Okay, I will make a refresh of this page. Okay, it didn't happen because now you can see, now it happened. You see the favicon changed. Okay, I can change it to every favicon that I want, and I can also delete and get back to the Builderall favicon. Okay, so this is the way that we change the favicons on the site settings, and here favicon we can choose, we can delete. So if you have further question about Favicon, you can comment below and ask me question, and I will try to answer my best. And that's it for today. Have a nice day.